girl. Hey, look at that side. Look at that side. Yay! Hey, look at this way. Look at this way. Look at this way. Look at Yay! Good job. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending whenever you see this video. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jane Earl. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please don't be a stranger. Kindly hit that big red subscribe button below this video to join the channel. Don't forget to click on the all notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much, and welcome to Vlogmas week 2. So guys, this is me just trying to prep my daughter for her school Christmas party, which took place like last week or 2 weeks ago. So this is me just trying to do a simple style for her. I didn't want to stress her with going to the salon to make her hair, because I wanted to just make her hair when it's closer to Christmas time, so she just make her hair once. So this is me just doing a simple hairstyle for her.
Everybody knows Christmas is coming. Thank one and all. Time to hang your stockings, baby, and have yourself a ball. People all over this big world, they're getting ready to play, kissing under the mistletoe and rocking the night away. So let's dance, baby, let's swing the night away. Baby, hold me close, 'cause in our hearts Christmas is here to stay. Snowflakes falling gentle and bright, candles glow in the winter night, families' laughter fills the air. The warm love is everywhere. It's the time of the year we love. Thank the stars and the moon above. Hug your kids, tell your friends, Christmas time is here again. Christmas time is here again. It's here again. Christmas time is here again. Go tell your friends. Christmas time is here again. Christmas time is here again. Snowflakes falling gentle and bright, candles glow in the winter night, families' laughter fills the air. The warm love is everywhere. It's the time of the year we love. Thank the stars and the moon above. Hug your kids, tell your friends, Christmas time is here again.
So guys, this is the hairstyle I decided to make for her, a kinky, mohawk style with, 2 twists at the sides, which I added some. Okay, I didn't add beads because her school, they do not accept beads in their school, so I just added this butterfly clip on her hair, as you can see. And I've run out of edge control. I need to restock on my gel and edge control, but so yeah, that was that. I did that morning, and then I proceeded to make some breakfast. It's a school party, and I'm very sure that the school is going to provide food for them for the day, but I just want to give them some lunch also. So for lunch they're going to be taking some French toast, so this is just what I'm prepping. And I was hurrying up, I was rushing. I could not show you guys the finished video of the French toast, but yeah, it was really yummy and they loved it. Please let me keep quiet. If you watched up to here and you're still not subscribed, please subscribe to join the family. Click the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Give this video a huge and massive thumbs up, like it, leave a comment, share to all the yummy mommies and daddies out there. See you all in my next video. Please keep enjoying the vlog because there's a huge surprise the school gave us at the end of the video. Please keep watching. Thanks, guys.
Christmas time is here again. Snowflakes falling gentle and bright, candles glow in the winter night, families' laughter fills the air, hearts are warm, love is everywhere. It's the time and the king we love, like the stars and the moon above. Hug your kids, tell your friends, Christmas time is here again. It's here again. Go tell your friends. Christmas time is here again. Everybody knows Christmas is coming. Thank one and all. Time to hang your stockings, baby, and have yourself a ball. People all over this big world, they're getting ready to play, kissing under the mistletoe and rocking the night away. So let's tell.
So guys, as you can see, I tried toasting the bread on this grill pan, but it wasn't giving me that brown crunchiness that I wanted. I decided to take it to my frying pan and toast it the normal way. And this is how my baby is looking in school. She's so gorgeous. So the uniform in school was either a white on blue jeans or red on blue jeans. So that's why I just decided to wear them, white turtlenecks and blue jeans, and this is the hair, looking so beautiful. Look at my baby JD now trying to show his own style. Oh my lord. So this party was just for the kids. Parents were not invited. Baby JD there, God of Israel, he's always so happy to be in school, like even more happy than Brielle. Like Brielle still cries when you drop her in school some days. Oh, how cute, for your mind, no me to follow get sister and brother. Oh my lord, guys. So guys, this is what my kids brought back from school. Aside the food they gave them with drink, they gave them food, rice, jollof rice with drinks. Aside that, so they gifted them these fabrics. So this is me just trying to show you guys their names were written there. So baby Jaden's own was blue and baby Brielle's own was like orange or pink. So this is just their names on the nylons. And oh my lord, guys, I say, yeah, this one Christmas gift. I was so shocked because I don't think they did that last Christmas. I don't know, maybe it's because they are planning to increase school fees. When they don't try about the second term with this, then they increase school fees for second term. So when they don't start, they give material. When they not try, So I said to unbox the fabric with you. It's just this Kampala, material. This is baby Jadenson. It's like purple. It's like purple. I think it's actually purple. It's not blue. It's purple. So this is very beautiful. 5 yards of Kampala, and then this is for baby Brielle. Oh my lord, this was actually amazing to see. And anyway, thanks to the school, but let's just hope that nobody said they don't increase school fees. I beg. If you've watched up to here and you're still not subscribed, hey my god, yeah, among my village people, don't try me, please subscribe. I need to reach 10,000 subscribers before January. What God cannot do does not exist. So guys, please hit that subscribe button, give this video a huge thumbs up, a massive thumbs up, like, leave a comment, share to all the yummy mommies out there, and God bless you. Thank you so much for always watching. Yep. And this is me just trying to get a thumbnail for for my YouTube videos. Thank you so much guys for watching. I really appreciate you all. See you all in my next video. Have a blessed week ahead. Bye bye.